A demo for tracing growth lines in coral polyps using COD. So here's a coral menu. We want to display the image. And we will choose that guy. There's our image. Let's blow it up so we can see those growth lines a little better. Okay, now we go back up and we want to make a new polyp profile. So we'll do this. Don't worry about the scaling. We'll do that some other time. The profile width means how many pixels normal to the direction of the profile the program averages to give you a value. 20 seems to be pretty good for this sort of stuff. So we'll continue, and you see we've got profile P2. Now we'll take the cursor and stick it on the graph along one of these growth lines. Now we go up to the menu and you see there's add points to profile, and you can say command 1 to make things easy. Okay, there's a point. Now we'll follow that growth line a ways, go there. Now we notice there's a shortcut for add points to profile. That's command 1. Now we've added that point. Now once you have 2 points, that's a line. That means you can now display your profile if you like. So we can actually say profile plot, and we're doing P2, and there's our profile plot. Now we'll move to here and we'll do command 1. Whoops. Do command 1. You see the profile gets longer. Command 1. Hold down the option key and pull this guy. Stop! Sometimes it gets a little. Stop. And we'll move him along this growth line, maybe to there. 1, maybe go up to here. Anyway, there you have it. If you're interested in, there's a lot more things we do with this, but this is the basic function. It gives you the grayscale. In this case, it's looking along points along the line, I guess it is, but we can scale that to these millimeters when we get further into the program. I just wanted to show you the basic function, see if you're interested. That's it.